Welcome back. Today we are exploring the best unlinked codes to help you discover streaming and entertainment apps. This video is for educational purposes only. Always respect local laws and support official sources. Before we dive in, here is an important tip for your streaming setup. To keep your connection private and secure, I highly recommend using NordVPN. It helps bypass internet restrictions and prevents throttling from your service provider. Check the exclusive installation link in the video description and in the comments below. If you do not have Unlinked installed yet, here is the quick setup process. Open the App Store on your device, search for Downloader, then install and launch it. Once open, enter unlinked.link, click Load and find the download link. Once installed, add a library code to start browsing variety of tools. Now let us count down the 7 best unlinked codes. Number 7. YouTube offers a solid collection of apps with a clean and easy layout. Number 6. Fire Media is a popular choice for users looking for a wide selection of media tools. Number 5. Firestick is regularly updated and provides access to a variety of useful software. Number 4. Android Weeks is a well-organized library that makes it easy to discover new entertainment options. Number 3. Everything is known for its diverse selection and straightforward user experience. Number 2. Firestick is one of the most frequently recommended libraries thanks to its consistent updates and broad catalog. Finally, number 1, Fire TV Guru is our top pick, offering a comprehensive collection of streaming and utility applications in one convenient location. Which of these codes is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to TechVibes so you never miss future tutorials. Do not forget to use the link for NordVPN in the description to keep your device running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.